What's up? This is a bike check of my United SU1 2011. 2011. In the front, I have dual center tires. Came stock with the bike. I have a red-ish kind of dark rim that came with the bike also, United. Same thing with the hub. But the axle's fucked up, so I had to flip the rim. I have in the front an animal butcher peg without the sleeve. I don't really like these pegs too much because they're a little too short for me. So I'm thinking about selling both for 20 bucks. Let me know after this video if you want them. 20 bucks for both. Comes with an extra sleeve, I think. It's right here. Practically good. Alright, back to the bike. Forks is stock. Stem is also stock, same thing with bars. I got ODI long neck grips, which are wearing, they're still good, but they got some fucky uppy things. Animal stitched pivotal seat with a built-in wedge post that's not gonna snap for shit. Clutch surge pedals that came. Sprocket that came. Same thing with cranks. And back rim and back hub. And in the back I have a animal butcher peg inside of the sleeve with a dual stunner. So just to show you guys how the hub in the back sounds, and this hub is stock. I'm gonna show you right now. Yeah, I got a flat. Hold up. How am I gonna do this? Alright. That's how the wheel spins. It's actually really loud for a stock hub. But yeah, that's my bike for now. Leave comments about it, and remember, I'm selling the animal butcher pegs, both of them for 20 with the sleeve. So yeah, just send me a comment on what you think of the bike and if you are interested in purchasing the pegs. Thanks guys, peace.